Algebra rule number 3. Always group like terms before you do anything to either side. Now you already know to isolate what you're trying to find, and you already know that you have to do the same thing to both sides of the equation. But once you know those, the big thing to do is get everything to the right side of the equation before you start operating on it and multiplying and dividing especially. Let me give you an example. Let's say that we have 5x plus 3 equals 3x plus 5. Now, let's say we wanted to simplify this and we said, all right, why don't we just divide both sides by 3? That would be an absolutely terrible idea. The reason for that being that if we divide both sides by 3, what we end up getting is 5/3 x plus 1 equals x plus 5/3. That's a complete nightmare. So instead, what you want to do is group all the like terms. So instead of just doing this the way that we were going to, how about instead we decide that we're going to take 3x and we're going to subtract it from both sides first. So what we end up getting now is 2x plus 3 equals 5. And then let's say that we take this 3 here and we subtract it from both sides. What we end up getting is 2x equals 2. Now from here, this becomes really simple. Divide both sides by 2 and you just get x equals 1, which is the answer. It's a beautiful thing. So rather than go through this insane process of, if you went over here, having 5/3 x plus 1 equals x plus 5/3, that's absolutely terrible. Do it the simple way and you get x equals 1. So remember, always, always, always try and group and shift around like terms in the equation before you actually start doing the math, and you're going to have a much easier time of solving all of these.